Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Notion templates for brand guidelines and voice detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Notion workspace. Create a new page for your brand guidelines. Title the page Brand Guidelines. Add a brief introduction to your brand's mission and vision. Include sections for your logo, color palette, typography, imagery, and tone of voice. To set up your logo section, upload your brand logo files. Ensure they are high resolution for clarity. Add a description of appropriate usage for your logo. Next, move to the color palette section. Select your brand colors and use the Notion color options to create color swatches. Provide hexadecimal codes for each color. In the typography section, list your primary and secondary fonts. Include guidelines on font sizes and usage. Utilize text styles to make this section visually clear. For the imagery section, describe your preferred style of images. You can include examples that reflect your brand identity. Next, create a tone of voice section. Define the specific voice and language your brand uses. Include key phrases or terminology that aligns with your brand. After completing these sections, format the page for clarity. Use headings and subheadings to separate different parts of the guidelines. Incorporate icons or visuals to enhance the aesthetics of your page. Make sure all information is concise and easy to understand. Once your template is ready, consider sharing it with your team. Grant them access for collaboration and feedback. Regularly update the template to reflect any brand changes. Ensure that all team members adhere to these guidelines whenever creating content. Finally, save your page and return to it as needed for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.